A high-quality magnetic tactical band keeps essential tools securely accessible, improving efficiency, convenience, and readiness for DIY, automotive, construction, and repair tasks. My today's video is about top 5 best magnetic tactical band that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bandletic, compatible with Apple Watch band. The Bandletic Magnetic Tactical Band is a practical upgrade for Apple Watch users seeking comfort, durability, and broad compatibility. Designed to fit Apple Watch Ultra 2, Ultra, Series 11 through Series 1, and SE models in supported sizes, it offers an easy replacement option without compatibility concerns. The powerful magnetic closure provides a secure, adjustable fit that stays in place during workouts, outdoor adventures, or everyday wear. Its flexible design comfortably fits wrists measuring 5.9 to 7.7 inches, making it suitable for most users. The band feels sturdy yet lightweight, delivering all-day comfort without adding unnecessary bulk. Installation is quick, and the connectors lock securely into the watch for added confidence. Before purchasing, simply verify your Apple Watch size using the engraving on the back to ensure the perfect fit. Overall, this magnetic tactical band combines reliable performance, sleek style, and versatile compatibility, making it an excellent accessory for anyone looking to enhance their Apple Watch experience. Now our second product is Bxuxo's Milanese Loop for Apple Watch Ultra 3 of 2 band. The Bandletic Milanese Loop is an excellent premium watch band that blends rugged durability with refined style for Apple Watch users. Compatible with Apple Watch Ultra 3, Ultra 2, Ultra, SE models, and Series 1 through 11 in supported sizes, it offers impressive versatility. Its 24 mm wide stainless steel mesh delivers a bold, sophisticated appearance while maintaining exceptional comfort throughout the day. The upgraded magnetic buckle allows quick, precise adjustments, creating a secure fit for wrists between 6.3 and 9.06 inches. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the band resists corrosion, rust, sweat, and daily wear, making it ideal for both business settings and outdoor adventures. The smooth woven mesh feels comfortable against the skin, even during extended workouts, hiking, swimming, or travel. Installation is simple, and the solid connectors keep the watch firmly attached. Overall, this Milanese Loop combines premium craftsmanship, reliable performance, and timeless elegance, making it a worthwhile upgrade and an excellent gift for any Apple Watch owner. Our third product is CRNS Pro Titanium Band. The titanium Apple Watch band delivers a premium blend of luxury, comfort, and long-term durability for Apple Watch Ultra users. Designed for Apple Watch Ultra 3 and Ultra 2, its gap-free fit creates a seamless, factory-quality appearance that instantly elevates your watch. Constructed from Grade 2 titanium with a diamond-like carbon (DLC) coating, the band is highly resistant to scratches, corrosion, and everyday wear while remaining significantly lighter than traditional stainless steel. The innovative tool-free side release system makes resizing effortless in seconds, ensuring a personalized fit for wrists from 5.9 to 8.5 inches. Its precision-engineered 3-link design flexes naturally with wrist movement, providing exceptional comfort during work, travel, exercise, or daily use. The upgraded dual magnetic clasp keeps the band securely fastened without pinching or loosening throughout the day. Combining sophisticated styling, lightweight performance, and premium craftsmanship, this titanium band is an outstanding investment for Apple Watch owners and a thoughtful gift for anyone seeking a refined yet practical upgrade. Now number 4, Heartboom Magnetic Link Sport Band Compatible. The Heartboom Magnetic Nylon Apple Watch band is an impressive combination of comfort, security, and modern design. Compatible with Apple Watch Ultra, SE, and Series 1 through 11 in supported sizes, it offers a reliable fit for a wide range of users. Its patented design features 44 integrated and 55 magnets that provide a significantly stronger hold than standard magnetic bands, ensuring your watch stays securely in place during workouts, running, hiking, or everyday activities. The soft premium nylon material feels breathable and lightweight, making it comfortable enough for all-day wear without irritating the skin. The 1-second magnetic adjustment allows you to achieve the perfect fit instantly, while the seamless design eliminates bulky straps and loose ends for a clean, stylish appearance. Durable construction resists scratches and daily wear, helping the band maintain its fresh look over time. Available in multiple attractive colors, this band successfully blends sporty performance with refined style, making it an excellent everyday upgrade and a thoughtful gift for Apple Watch users. And our last choice is rugged nylon for Apple Watch Ultra Band. The tactical rugged nylon band is an excellent choice for Apple Watch users who need durability, comfort, and dependable performance. Compatible with Apple Watch Ultra 3, Ultra 2, Ultra, SE, and Series 1 to 11 in supported sizes, it offers broad compatibility for everyday and outdoor use. Constructed from high-density woven nylon with a soft microfiber lining, the band feels comfortable against the skin while remaining breathable and moisture-wicking during long hours of wear. The 26mm ultra-wide design perfectly complements the rugged look of Apple Watch Ultra models, making it ideal for hiking, cycling, camping, skiing, and intense workouts. Its standout feature is the dual magnetic quick-release buckle made from durable 316L stainless steel, combined with a secure hook and loop closure for extra confidence. The reinforced fastening system is built to withstand thousands of uses without losing reliability. Lightweight yet tough, this tactical band balances style and functionality, making it a dependable upgrade for active lifestyles while providing lasting comfort and a secure fit every day. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.